If you want to really learn Excel, this video is your step-by-step roadmap. Excel can look scary at first, all those cells, buttons, and formulas. But once you learn it, you can organize anything: money, projects, schoolwork, even your side hustle. Let's break it down from beginner to advanced in a way that actually makes sense. Step 1 is comfort, not formulas. Open a blank sheet and just explore. Learn what rows and columns are. Type in a few numbers. Rename the sheet. Save the file. Try copying and pasting. Use the little square in the corner of a cell to drag values down. When that feels easy, move to basic formatting. Bold a header. Change colors. Format numbers as currency or dates. Freeze the top row so headings stay on screen. These simple things make your sheets readable and professional. Next comes simple math. Start with plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Use the equals sign to create your first formula. Then learn auto sum to quickly add a list. Now meet your new best friends, core functions. Practice sum, average, min, max, and count. Then add if to let Excel make decisions. Later, you'll move into lookup functions like VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP to pull data from big tables. After that, work with structure. Turn your data into an Excel table so it grows automatically. Sort and filter to find what you need. Build a basic chart so you can see your numbers instead of just reading them. Once you're comfortable there, try intermediate skills. Link formulas between sheets. Use conditional formatting to highlight important numbers. Learn pivot tables to quickly summarize big lists. Advanced skills come last. That's where you combine functions, clean messy data, and maybe dip your toes into macros or simple automation. So where does ChatGPT fit into this? Use it like a personal Excel tutor. Ask, "Explain VLOOKUP to me like I'm a beginner," with a simple example. Or, "I got this error in my formula. What does it mean?" Ask for practice exercises and sample data. Even say, "Create a step-by-step plan to learn Excel in 30 days." The more you practice with real-life tasks, the faster it sticks. And if you want to make explainer videos like this for your own business or training, go to vidfactory.ai to make your own animated videos effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!